Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your profile picture on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, tap on your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Let's go to our home section, which will be chats when we open it up. Right afterwards, we're gonna go ahead, tap on this option of settings in the bottom section, and let's go back a bit. And right over here, if you tap on your profile, you can see we have this particular picture as our profile picture. If you would like to add a new one, all we have to do is tap on edit, and now we can tap on this option of choose a photo. And now let's go ahead, choose another photo for us to change it to. So let's say if we have this particular picture we would like to set as, we can tap on this choose button afterwards in the bottom right, and now it's updated, and you can see we have our profile picture changed on WhatsApp just like that. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.